Where you been at? Where you been at? I feel like you just watch my Master in the Wash and Go series, and now your hair all popping and stuff, and now you can't watch no more videos. Is that what we doing? You know what I'm saying? You upsetting me and my homegirls. Like, so you don't need my assistance no more? You think you all that in a bag of chips, huh? Is that what going on? Okay. When your friends again, friend, don't come over here. You got to be faithful. Stay here. Come here. Be with me. We friends. Dang. Friend, I was just playing. Friend, I was just playing. I'm finna show you how to do your hair again, friend. Hold on. And before I get started, look at my nails, friend. Friend got her nails done. Friend got her nails done. I feel so cute. If you did not watch that vlog, go watch my vlog, friend. Like, I need you to watch my vlog. Support black businesses. I's a black businesses. I's it. This is the support. You got to support me too. Anywho, I'm gonna show you how to do your hair. Okay, this is the thing about this. Every time I do this tutorial, I get so many comments, like, you can't just do a braid out. Sometimes I'm like, what? Like, not everything is that simple. Like, you can't get this with a braid out, friend. I promise you, it ain't the same. But I'm gonna use my Octocurl because I want some waves. I just want some waves. I've already washed my hair. It's already shampooed, conditioned, and I done put my leave-in in the shower and all that. And then I put this cap on, so it's very moisturized. And I have my Felicia Leatherwood brush because we are going to need to detangle the hair. You want to smooth it out. And I'm going to do a middle part. I'm going to go ahead and take this off, y'all, because you really don't need your hair to be that moisturized. I need to get me a towel as well because I want to blot some of this out of my hair. All right, so I'm going to just take the towel and just kind of dab a lot of that water. You don't want it to be soaking, dripping, soaking wet. Okay, cool. So now the only thing about this is you can't necessarily do sections. That's not how this goes. So what you want to do is just go ahead and put your hair down. Look at my hair, y'all. So moisturized, so nice. This is what my hair looks like with just conditioner applied to my hair. Y'all know. Well, I never really take my hair down like this so you guys can see it with just leave-in conditioner. So here's your shot. It looks so good and healthy, y'all. I did just do a trim. Looks good. Alright guys, so the first step you want to do is section off your hair. Basically, you're going to be making 8 braids. So 4 on this side and 4 on this side. So I've split my hair in half already. As you guys can see, I clipped this half already up. And now I'm just going to go downward. Just like this. And I'm sectioning this side into 4s as well. I'm guessing this would be my first one. So you just want to twist it and get it out of the way. And then you want to do the second one. And you always want to just part from the middle part and just go all the way down. Just like this. And it doesn't have to be perfect. Alright, y'all. So as you can see, I have 1, 2, 3. And this back section is 4. I left this back section out because we are going to be starting with the back section as far as applying the product, okay? So I'm going to be using the Main Choice Tropical Moringa because I just feel like this is going to give me the hold, but it's also going to give me the moisture. I'm using my Felicia Leatherwood brush and I'm just detangling. Remember, I just have leave-in conditioner on my hair, but you want to make sure this is nice and smooth. And then I'm going to go in with the Tropical Moringa. Now, I'm going to be putting the Tropical Moringa on my roots, literally like all over this section. Just make sure you are smoothing it in. Just make sure all of the hair is coated and detangle with your brush. Just like that, okay? And I'm just going to go ahead and twist this up. Now, this is not the hairstyle, of course, but this is going to help when you are trying to use the Octocurl. And that's gonna go by real quick. So just gonna go ahead and twist that, and that's just gonna keep that moisture in there and keep your hair nice and stretched and nice and smooth. All right, you want to do this to all 4 sections. All right, y'all, so I have done all of the sections on this side. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this side, and then I'm gonna come back and show you guys how I install the Octocurl. Now I have all 8 twists, and we are ready for the Octocurl. So I'm gonna go ahead and just slide this bad boy on. Just like that. All right, y'all, so once you have your Octocurl on and your twist already in, it makes it a lot easier to go ahead and do this. You don't actually need this all the way down now. So what you want to do is I'm going to pull one of my twists down like this. Just kind of pin it so it's not in your way. Make sure both of your straps, you need 2 straps and a twist. And then just clamp everything else together like just to get it out your way. I want to go ahead and like raise my chair up a little bit because I want you guys to see. So I'm going to go ahead and unravel this first twist just like that. Product is already applied. So what I like to do is lift this part a little bit so I can brush this down. I want that to be nice and smooth, so I just brush that a little bit. And you're going to use your hair as the middle piece for the braid. So you're going to take the 2 cloth pieces in your hand and just start braiding. And your hair will be the middle piece. I'm gonna detangle this just a little bit more though, because I want it to be super smooth. So I'm just gonna go ahead and comb that all the way out again, that little twist we did. And you just wanna braid and have your hair as the middle piece. And I braid super duper tight. It's not gonna matter because it's not super tight to your scalp. So I like to pull as tight as I can to make sure it's catching the wave. What this is doing is making your hair have a nice defined wave. Now it would be a braid if I split this section up. If I use the towel as one piece and I split this up into 2 and this was like 2 pieces, it would be kind of like a braid, but since I'm not splitting this section up at all, that's what creates the wave, just the uniform wave. So just braid all the way down until you can't braid no more. And when I get to this bottom part, like right here, I like to just add a little bit more gel because your ends are very important. Add a little bit more of that gel to the end, and I'm just gonna comb it. I'm just taking this little comb I just had right there. You want to use a rat tail comb, but you really just want to comb that end out really well until you have like a nice smooth ending. Y'all see that? And then you just want to twirl that around the towel or the Octocurl at the bottom, just one of them, just to create a nice curl. Just smooth that around. Take both of these elastics, and then you just want to put the rubber band on like that. And what that's going to do is secure that end just like that. That's all you got to do. And the first one is done. So then you want to just take the clip off, and then you just want to do the second one. Pull this hair down, smooth it down as much as you want. Unravel it, detangle it. Just get that twist out that you did because you don't want that in there. Make sure it's nice and smooth. Get your 2 pieces that you need and then just start braiding. Super simple, y'all, for real, like super simple. Or plaiting. I know it's called plaiting, but some people call it braiding. So I already got 2 of them done. Y'all can see some of the product coming out of there. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest, and then I'm gonna come back. All right, y'all, so I have put all of my braids in, as y'all can see. Look at this side, and then this side. Okay, so you don't have to really pay too much attention to like the top waves and stuff. All you need to do is wrap it at night, and it will smooth all of this down because it's still wet. You've already applied gel to it. So once you wrap this up, then it'll be good. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna wrap a scarf around and I'm not gonna take this down until tomorrow. They do have a satin Octocurl as well, but I don't like to use that one when my hair is wet because I feel like it does not help with the drying time. With the towel, I feel like it gets rid of additional product and also additional moisture, and it just helps to dry a little bit faster. And I don't think it's damaging because this is a microfiber towel, the towels that are really recommended for natural hair anyway. So this is what we're working with, and I'm ready for some waves. So I will come back tomorrow and show you guys what we're looking like. It's in the morning, friend, and I slept in this shirt. I just woke up, I rolled out of the bed, and they're kind of tight, okay? Like, these things are kind of tight. Let me come up, so I feel like I'm far away from you. Come here, come here. So like I woke up or whatever, and I was like, wow, my hair is tight, like edges pulling under here, back here in that nape. I really pulled that, I really did. So be careful, people, please and thank you. So I think they're dry, not really sure, but I think they're dry. We're gonna start by taking them out. We're gonna do that, we're gonna take them out. But I'm also filming a TikTok at the same time. So if you're from TikTok, hi, hello. I'm actually filming the TikTok at the same time. So I'm like, dang, do I wanna take the back out first so that in a TikTok I can take the front out? Is that okay with y'all? We're gonna take the back out. So how you do it is you just like pull the little straps. Can y'all see it? Pull the strap out, and you just want to unbraid it, basically. So first, you know, you wrapped it at the end. Hopefully you wrapped it around, because what you want is a nice curl at the end, like that. Right? Can you see that? Like that right there. Like show like that. Yeah, it's like tap to set. Just unravel that the best of your abilities. You want to be careful to not separate your wave, man. Don't disturb the wave, please and thank you. This is very important. You want to separate the wave on your own time, your own way. All right. So friend, there go your wave. There's a wave. One very uniform wave. Okay? You see it? Boom. Bow. Straight like that. If they're not dry, I'm gonna let y'all know. I probably didn't towel dry my hair to the best of my ability. You should definitely towel dry your hair before you do this. I know we just took these out and I just put them right back in because as soon as I took this one out that's right by my ear, yo, I heard suds, a sudsy sound. And I was like, that is not dry, and I can't do anything about that. So we rebraided them back, and now I'm gonna sit under the dryer because I need this to be dry. But this side is gonna be weird because since it was already stretched out, when I rebraided it, it was much longer than the actual thing is. So I just left the curls at the bottom out. I feel like this side is gonna be more stretched than this side, but they're not dry, friends, so I gotta sit back under the dryer. It's already like the next day. It looks like we are finally dry. Say hi to Sky. Hi, mama. Anyway, she was just barking for no reason. I'm gonna go ahead and take out the rest because these towels are starting to make this frizz up. But as y'all can see, we have a lovely wave. Yo, y'all can see the difference between the ones that I waited till they completely dried before I took them out. Like, look at these, y'all. Look at how perfect the waves are. Okay, and this over here. I'm still gonna work with it, but I took it out too early, and that's what happened. So they are all out. This is my hair is looking like. So from here, you guys, you just wanna just separate it at the bottom. Like, just kind of separate them by removing just a little bit and separating it just like that. And it's gonna make smaller waves, or you can keep it uniform and just have one big wave if you want. You can do whatever you want at this point. All right, y'all, so it's nighttime and I already fluffed out this side, which is the bad side, which did not completely dry and I had to redo it. You know. And this is the side that actually did some good. So I'm gonna show you guys how I separate. As you can see, this is the back. When it's completely dry, it's a lot easier to separate without any frizz. So you just really just separate it just like that. Like, there's gonna be some frizz, of course, because these aren't like small things, but it gives you that nice defined wave. And I personally like it. So that's the back, and I like to just separate it where it wants to separate. And I'm adding some oil to my hands as well, y'all. I'm using Afro Sheen oil. And I'm just putting it on my fingertips and then just separating. Kind of let it fall and separate. I am done with this hairstyle. I'm done with the Octocurl for this. I will say that this time I was a little impatient with it, so it came out a little I still do really like the results. I love the big like wavy look, but first of all, it's way better on blown out hair for sure. But this is a good alternative if you just need to do something. I didn't really separate it like I really wanted to because of the frizz. I will say I would use a more like sticky gel. I'd probably use the Style Factor gel with this just because I feel like it doesn't need a very moisturizing gel, and that Style Factor is not moisturizing, more of like a drying, holding type of gel. And I feel like it will come out a lot better. The last time I did it came out a lot better. I ain't did it in so long. I will link that video below for you guys to check it out. I just wanted to do an updated one and I was like, look, might as well film it. So here we go, friend. But yeah, this is the Octocurl. Now my hair is longer, but since the Octocurl isn't that long, like once you get to the end of this, the only thing you can do is wrap your hair around. So 9 times out of 10, if your hair is longer, it's probably still gonna give you the same shape because you just wrap the ends. And so the ends are like super duper curly, as y'all can see. It really gives you nice texture. I like it. So I hope you really like this video and me showing you kind of like my process, the steps that I took to get to where I am. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.